Hello, we are going to cook crab linguine for dinner tonight. We fancied just something a little bit different, so we're going to try making all these ingredients into a lovely crab linguine, so we'll see how we get on. A quick tip is just to boil the kettle for the linguine, so we don't have to boil the pan later on. So I'm just pre-boiling that because it's quicker to boil in a kettle, really, I think, than in a saucepan. So yeah. I've just added butter and olive oil to a pan and it's starting to bubble. You don't want to, make sure you don't burn the butter. And now I'm adding some shallots that I chopped earlier and a little bit of garlic paste. Pop that in there. Stirring in some chopped tomatoes. You can remove the seeds if you want, but I just think life's too short for that. Let's stir in the brown crab meat, because that goes in at this stage. I think it's more for flavour than anything else.
I think someone wants that crab meat pot. Here you are, Keesha. There's a crab pot for you.
Here's the boiling water going in that I heated up earlier. Going to put some salt in there. Of course, when you're cooking in a camper, you need a glass of wine. So I've got a Sauvignon Blanc. It's a 2021 Sauvignon Blanc from Sainsbury's. It's a Bordeaux, so I suppose it's from Bordeaux, but I got it from Sainsbury's. It's mouth-wateringly refreshing with a citrus fruit intensity. It's very nice, and it's also in the dinner, so it should go nice. That should go nice with a nice crab linguine. Cheers. I'm just going to guess the amount of wine to put in, but that looks about enough. Pasta's cooking nicely, so it's all starting to soften up. We've got to reserve a little bit of the pasta water for the sauce later in a bit. And the brown crab meat sauce is coming along nicely, so that's all combined with its wine and its tomatoes, shallots, garlic, and a pinch of sugar. Going to put the linguine into the sauce, mix it all around a little bit. Keisha's having a barky time, which she tends to have at this time of night. Don't know why, we don't know why she does it. It smells very crabby, so just got to try and combine it all together. So we also, at this stage, we need to put in the parmesan, so it sort of melts nicely into the dish. Put quite a bit in, a bit of extra flavour. And it's time for the white crab meat. You could use fresh, obviously, but we're camping again, so it's convenience. We've got a little, again, from our grocery shop, we have the white crab meat all ready for us. I'm just going to flake that on top. Lovely big squeeze of lemon juice. Parsley. We get Gusto at home and they give you these handy little pots of chilli flakes or ingredients, and this is one we have left over, so just going to toss some chilli flakes in. Again, not too many because I don't want to overpower it too much. That's it. We're ready to plate. So who says that you have to have sausages and beans when you're camping?
I like sausages.
I like sausages and beans, but we've got that for breakfast tomorrow. Right. There's yours, darling.